This video is not meant to scare you. It's not meant to put fear in you. It is to make you aware of what is going on, how fast the world is moving, and what is possible, and how you can use it to your advantage. Now, you guys know that I practice and preach having control of my business, cold calling, prospecting, but if you don't have the skills, you don't have consistency, none of it will matter. Now, Nucci, you said if I do this or get left behind. If you are not tracking your numbers daily, you are not using a CRM, you are not having recurring reminders and things sent to your clients and or taking them out to dinner and furthering the relationships with them, if you're not using ChatGPT or Claude to at least help you prepare for your listing presentations and do homework and understand where the market's going and get, like if I were you, I would use it to get market data. Set up, like you guys gotta take some time to understand that there are little tools out there that are very inexpensive that you guys can use to your benefit as a real estate agent to be faster. Like a 14-line dialer instead of a triple line dialer. Mojo as my triple line dialer and my CRM. Claude can help me with CMAs and market data and understanding what's going on with the feds. And like I have ChatGPT every week send me a review of, hey, how many people did you cold call? First, it knows what my goals are and it knows the math that I need to hit my goals. It's very simple. What are your goals for the year? Okay, this is what you need to do. This is what I'm gonna ask every Friday at 9 a.m. And it asks me, hey, how many people did you cold call? How many listings did you get? How many clients did you take out to lunch? How many people got a thank you card from you? How many this, how many that? And it literally just rates me and it uses a scorecard. You didn't call enough people, you didn't do X, you didn't do Y, what were you doing? So guys, you gotta understand, you can't just willy-nilly this anymore. It's getting too competitive. There's too many tools and too many resources out there. If you are not paying attention, you're not staying ahead of the curve, you're not working like an absolute savage. And then when I say that, I mean working your face off. I mean to a point, dude, I don't get acne. I've been breaking out recently. Little places, random spots, but I'm getting so stressed out because I'm pushing the limits because I need to win bigger than ever. I understand what it's like when you're obsessed, dude, and I lost it for a little bit. And I got it back, and now I'm like, I just don't want to stop. All I can do is work. At night, I'm working. On my phone, I'm working. I'm at the gym, I'm working, because I do not want to lose. I hate losing more than I love winning. I hate losing more than I love winning. I cannot have that happen. I've worked too hard to get to where I'm at. You guys are working too hard on the wrong things, and you're not growing. This is a reality check call for you. Start understanding what you can do with Claude, ChatGPT, and help you with your appointments. Start downloading Mojo. Start learning how you can use these tools to grow and expand your business. If you're not doing well now, it's going to be even harder to do what you're doing right now. So if your baseline's 100 grand and you're not learning as much as you can right now, it's going to take you more work to make that 100 grand. Okay, so don't let that happen. This is more of just like an impromptu video. I want to get that out there. You guys got to pay attention to what's going on in the real world.